Well, Briggs is put back together. 2-cycle Tecumseh Toro snowblower carb off 3.5 horsepower 2-stroke. Temporary fuel tank mounted to a tricycle yet again. And yeah, so let's see if I can get an angle maybe where you can look at the engine. If I can. Let's see, how's that? There we go. And let's see how it runs. 1, 2, 3. Fire this off the fuel. Anyway, I'll work on the idle a bit more, and that's 5-horse Briggs. Still smokes like crazy. I think the oil rings are about shot, but 100 psi runs, you know. I don't care about it too much because of the bushing style crank, you know, but the cool bore. So other than that, 5-horse Briggs, 2-stroke Tecumseh carb, and alright, gas power rules. Thanks and bye.